In this video, I'll show you how to install a rain chain. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. First, we need to remove the existing downpipe. Now we need to consider where and how to direct the water. Our yard is sloped to the back, so that's the best choice for our application. To accomplish this, I will be installing a catch basin drain kit, as well as a flexible downspout extender. Dig a trench where you want the water directed, and install the drain kit and extender in the trench. I'll drain it to the back, under the side gate. Now lay the catch basin and downspout extender into the trench. Hang the rain chain on the trough where the downpipe used to be. Use the gutter clip supplied with the rain chain. Test the rain chain to see if it works. As you can see, there is quite a bit of splatter. To fix this, readjust the rain chain so that the top cup is directly under the gutter opening. If you have a gutter hanger directly above the opening like I do, then you can attach the gutter clip directly to it. Otherwise, bend a loop on both sides and attach them to the fascia with washers and screws. My clip is a copper wire, which I simply bend around the gutter hanger. This reduces the splatter by quite a bit. Now to direct the water. Drill holes for drainage in a pot to catch the water and anchor the rain chain to, and set it over the catch basin. Level the basin with pieces of concrete or stones. Anchor the rain chain to the pot. I'm using thin wire for this. Fill the pot with stones to weigh it down and give it a finished look. I'm starting with pieces of concrete as a filler. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest videos. Thank you.